sampling and measurement of finished bars in the production process of rolling lines are crucial. But the traditional manual sampling process is both complex and time-consuming. Working in high-temperature and harsh environments, personnel still have safety hazards. Manual sampling also affects the authenticity of the data. The accuracy and timeliness have been affected. To reduce the accident rate of sampling, inspection, and measurement of bar production in steel mills, improving the quality of bar production, Roman gathers internal elite R&D team, developed the first domestic robot sampling system. The Roman robot bar sampling system is guided by a visual module, grabs samples on the high-temperature cold bed, and through distribute samples, cooling, material distribution, making measurement samples using cutting and other techniques, replacing manual operation to achieve unmanned operation, reduce the occurrence of safety accidents. The negative difference measurement module accurately measures the water weight data of the bar material, convert data that directly reflects production quality, control the navigative deviation within the specified range, improving bar yield and steel plant efficiency. The surface detection module can accurately measure the bar inner diameter, longitudinal rib height and width, transverse rib height and width. It can detect whether there are production quality problems such as dents and cracks, and can actively avoid producing bars with large quality defects. Mechanical testing of bar is an important parameter that directly reflects steel quality. The total elongation, tensile strength, yield strength, bending properties, and other indicators of the bar. The Roman robot bar sampling system can bring forth significant benefits to customers in terms of economy, quality, environment, and safety. Compared to traditional steel mills, the level of intelligence can be improved by 20%, calculated by reducing one person per shift. 4 classes have a total reduction of 4 staff members, can save approximately 480 yuan in labor costs annually, optimize negative deviation by 0.1%, cost reduction of 4 yuan per ton of steel, calculated based on an annual output of 1.5 million tons per production line, can reduce costs for steel mills by 6 million annually, reduce scrap steel production by over 1,000 tons per year, significantly reducing carbon dioxide emissions, can reduce the labor intensity of workers, using robots to replace manual labor in completing high-risk tasks, so as to avoid safety accidents from occurring. The sampling station has changed from a high-risk position to a supervisory position. July 2022, Roman joins hands with Shanxi Longmen Steel Company Limited, formally put into use the first domestically pioneered and first set of technology systems. The system realizes online robot sampling, sample making and measurement functions, and automatically feedback the measurement data in real time to the rolling line control system, provide key parameters for adjusting the rolling mill, effectively reduce the generation of waste and non-roller products, significantly reduce personnel labor intensity, improve job safety factor. Technology is a primary productive force. Roman empowers China's steel industry with technology, dedicated to dedicating cutting-edge product solution strategies to customers, promoting the realization of intelligent, information-based, and unmanned steel rolling. Building a future intelligent factory for one-click production.